If you own an Oculus Quest 2 and have dead controller batteries, keep watching and I'll show you how to change them. It may not be obvious at first, but you'll never question it again after watching this video. Now the headset has an internal battery, so it only needs to be charged with a USB-C cable. But here's how to change the Oculus Quest 2 controller batteries. On the outside of the controller, there's a really subtle embossed arrow on the hand grip. This is the battery cover, and all you have to do is slide this cover in the direction of the arrow and it will come off. Here the original AA battery has died, so I'll slip it out, and for me I'm going to replace it with some Eneloop rechargeable batteries I have lying around for my Xbox. But you can replace it with any AA battery in the controller. Then just slide the cover back on and you're set. I have to admit that when I first got my Oculus Quest 2, I didn't know how to remove the battery, so I made this tutorial to show others. If this video was helpful, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on all my weekly videos.